most of us are pretty busy planning holiday trips and over-the-top gifts. A couple of local construction companies are planning a trip to Africa this season. Local News 8's Darian Laird met with a team of do-gooders to check out the buildings they're getting ready to ship all the way across the world. Darian, why is somebody building something here that's going to end up in Africa?
Well, Carol, that's exactly what I wanted to know. And apparently, Eastern Idaho had just the material that a nonprofit needed to bring hope and healing to West Africa.
That I was impressed by the number of companies and individuals here that have stepped up and wanted to participate.
One call, that's all it took to get these guys on board with Mercy Ships to build portable restrooms and a reception center.
These buildings are designed to be built, taken apart, moved, and put up again.
Based out of Texas, Mercy Ships provides help and hope to the world's forgotten poor. For more than 30 years, this fleet of hospital ships has performed more than 47,000 operations and treated more than 485,000 patients. But to get this next project underway, they needed something special.
And I discovered Raycor and Raycor's product, was very impressed with it, so much so that we decided to come up here and work directly with them.
Raycor, along with BMC WEST and Green World Construction, it was the perfect combo to get this project constructed.
It truly is an opportunity and a privilege to be able to participate in this kind of stuff.
These buildings only took 2 weeks to put up, and then they'll be torn down in one day to start their tour from Eastern Idaho all the way across the Atlantic to West Africa. And two of the experts behind the framing and panels will actually be joining the Mercy Ships team in Africa to teach others how to reassemble the buildings, which will be traveling from country to country in Africa for nearly 4 years. Any expectations?
Not really. More just nervousness. Just want to make sure I make it back in one piece.
So pretty soon, a little piece of Idaho will be making Africa its permanent home, because after Mercy Ships uses the buildings as a reception center and restrooms for their patients, they will leave them in the city that needs them the most. Live in the studio, Darian Laird for KFI Local News 8 HD.
Oh, that is really neat. Thanks, Darian. Every person involved in Mercy Ships donates their own time and money to be a part of those missions. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about getting involved, you can go to our website, localnews8.com.